Hello everyone, Sanbonani, Dumelang, Absheni, Molweni, Tobela. The late Senzo Meyiwa was a goalkeeper for Orlando Pirates in the Premier Soccer League as well as Bafana Bafana goalkeeper in international matches. Senzo was born in 1984 and passed on in a mysterious circumstances that is yet to be saved at the tender age of 30, leaving his family and the country mourning. In his lifetime, the goalkeeper had been married and had children. The late Senzo Meyiwa's wife, now his widow, is Mandisa Mkhize. The two got married in 2013, but their marriage was marred by a lot of cheating scandals. According to sources, Senzo Meyiwa's wife was born on 24 September 1987, and she comes from a well-off family. Mandisa holds a degree in business administration and a diploma in human resources management from DUT. It's unclear if Mandisa has ever found love again since the sudden demise of her husband, but she seems to be focused on raising her daughter and enjoying what life has to offer to the fullest. Although Senzo Meyiwa and his wife's marriage was very rocky, one good thing that came out of it was their beautiful daughter Nana Meyiwa. Well, there you have it, Nzansi. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.